Recently, we headed into the HFDT Tyre Mart in Gordon. Check out the new setup. And Jay from SSW Wheels invited a few mates along for the drive. Can you think of a better way to spend a Sunday morning? Hanging out with great mates and snapping some rolling shots. What a lineup of cars. Massive thanks to the crew from HFDT. They were happy to let us film in this amazing space. And thanks to Jay for filming and rocking some sweet GRG merch.